Yeah, in this video I'll be showing you push pull tools in SketchUp. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this SketchUp tutorial series, this episode we are diving into the world of efficiency and productivity by uncovering the time-saving magic of push pull tools. Push pull tools shortcuts. So what you are going to learn: discovering a range of essential keyboard shortcut that will change your push pull tools experience, unlock the secrets of faster extrusion and precision in your 3D modeling project. Practical example and scenario where these shortcuts shine. Why push pull tools shortcuts matter? The push pull tools is cornerstone of SketchUp, and knowing how to why the shift can make all the difference in your modeling journey. Shortcuts are the key, literally, to accelerating your workflow and unleashing your creativity. Who should watch? Architects, designer, and artists looking to boost their SketchUp skills. 3D modeler eager to streamline their project. Anyone ready to level up their SketchUp game and save time. Ready to become a push pull pro? Hit that like button, subscribe for more SketchUp tutorial, and let's dive into the world of SketchUp that change the way. So let's get started. If you open your SketchUp, maybe you are launching your SketchUp, so this is what it's going to bring. Maybe your interface is very bigger, you want to change it, you can just come to this tools bar, can change it to show small icon, show screen tips. When you see it's bigger, I don't want it to be bigger, I want to reduce the size, so you can just press this one, so the interface will be more smaller. So and make sure when you are launching it, make sure your drawing is in millimeter. So let's dive into the tutorial in proper. So I told you that what to learn. The first one is discovering a range of extension keyboard tools. So shortcuts are key combination that can perform tasks quickly and efficiently. So let me demonstrate it. So the shortcut for push pull tools is P. You just press P, it's going to bring the sign. You escape it. This, you see, when you click the press the P, it's highlight it in your interface here, push pull tools. So you just press P in your keyboard, that is push pull tools. That is push pull tools. So some common some common control used in conjunction with push pull tools. Some common shortcuts used with push pull tools are, maybe for instance, let me just draw rectangle. If your face is like this, you can just reverse it. So I draw. To push it up, just press your P, push pull tools. So maybe I draw something like this. So I want to show you some common shortcuts used with push pull tools. Maybe I draw it like this. I want this place to come out. Normally it just come out like this, but I want it to come out and use it to draw another line. Maybe when you are drawing your floor plan, just press your control once, it will bring this sign. So leave it, press your control and leave it. Can't just draw it out. You see, can just use it to continue and draw your. So that is another shortcut to use with push pull with control. You just press your control and draw it. So that is the first on what to learn. Second on what to learn is unlocking the secrets of faster extrusion and precision. So using shortcuts can significantly enhance your both aspects of modeling. So let me demonstrate it. Let me demonstrate it. So you see that this P is more faster than just coming to this interface and pick and just come and pick this P and be drawing. But me just press the P faster. Press the P and use it to continue your drawing. It's more faster than coming to this interface and come and be picking the push buttons. So that is important of shortcuts. So let me show another example again. Maybe I draw something like this. Reverse the face. Press your P, that is push. Told you earlier that control another shortcut use with push buttons is control. Just press your control once, push it up. You see? To continue again, press your control, push it up. See? So you can just continue again, press your control, push it up. Maybe you want to use the same height for the next, maybe the last one, you want to use the same height, just press your control, double click it. It will continue. It's going to go to the height. So that is control used with push buttons. So the next one is practical. The third on what to learn is practical example and scenario where this shortcut shine. So the first practical example, scenario 1. So I'm going to create a role of design. So in this scenario 1, I'm just going to create a role. Maybe if it is in blue, that is a straight. Let me use like 75. It's like it's too small. Let me use 150. Use 150. So I want to push it out live by 152. Just press P, that is shortcut 150. Press the 150. So that is it. That is it. So I've drawn it now. So this is what I draw. I want to copy it. To copy is M. Press your control. Press your control. So for instance, I want to make something like this again. For the next one, just press your P and press control. Click it, 75. You see? To do that for the next one, just double click. Don't press the 75 again. Double click. You see it. If you does not see that sign again, press your control. Double click. Bring that 75 again. Press your control. Double click. So press your control again. Double click. Press your control. double click. So that is another practical example of how to use push put. Maybe you can just continue instead of come and be forming your line. That is a good example of push put. You can just use to form your drawing. So that is how push put goes. That is how it goes. So scenario 2, under the practical example. So I'm designing a decorative modeling. So practical. So I'm designing decorative for. So hope you are following along. You can just drop your comments in the section below. In the comment section below, if you have any question concerning SketchUp tutorial. So let me draw decorative modeling for your practical 2. So just draw it like this. I'm going to draw like pick line. Reverse the face. So I'm drawing like 75. Let me measure it. 3565. 3565. 3565. 3565. So line. Hmm. 75. 75. 75. 85. So that is it. I want to just form some extrusion. Two hundred. 200. 2.4. 2.4. 100. 100. 100. 100. Let me just 75 again. 25. 75. Here too. Okay, now let me just use this like this. 75. So all what I've done here, let me just copy it. I told you that to copy is M and press your control. M and press your control. See the extreme attractive modeling we have formed. So we are just going to use the push pull tools to push it out. We want to push it out like 30. Just to put it out like 30. 30. So continue. Push pull tool. I'm using the push pull tools. Instead of you to be pressing the 30 continuously, just be pressing the control twice. You see, I'm just pressing the control. I've pressed the 30 before. Of you to continue pressing it again, just be pressing it twice. You see the surface we are forming with push pull tools now. So you're just pressing it twice. So that is decorative modeling I'm doing with push pull tools. So that is second practical scenario. So we are going to the third practical scenario. So this third practical scenario will be modeling 3D terrain and landscape feature. So let's continue on landscape feature. So let me just draw something like this. And draw something like this. If it's the lines in blue, that is straight, it's coming down. That is vertical. That is vertical. The line is blue, that is vertical. That means the line is vertical. It's aligned vertically. Yeah. I want to lay so I have little curve. So this is the surface now. Let me just give it one color. So see the surface we have formed. Let me just give it grass. Drawing 3D terrain. Let me give it grass. Come to your material style. Come to landscape. Pick grass. So let me just I want to pull it now. That is P. I was using shortcut. Just press your P once and press the surface. Drag it. So that is 3D. I'll draw one 3D terrain. So using push pull. So this is the 3D terrain. I want to draw another one. I want to draw landscape feature. So let me just draw a rectangle. Reverse the face. If it's like this, reverse it. So offset inside. Offset the inside. Offset it. Set it like 100 or 150. So I want to push the ear up by 400. This one, so I want to push it like 200. So we can just give this side grass. So that is another. That is landscape terrain. So to copy it, I want to copy it. Press your M, Control. Press your M, Control. I want to use that push put tools in conjunction with Control. So press your push put tools P, and press your Control. Put it out by 200. You see, it has drawn it. Instead of, if this sign is stationary, just continue. I want to put it there by 200. See, press your 200. Control, double click it, 200. If it's not showing, press your Control, double click it, 200. If it's not showing, press your Control, double click it, 200. If it's not showing, press your Control, double click it, 200. If it's not showing, press your Control, double click it, 200. See now, see the surface we have formed. Just need this outside part. And just push it up. You see, instead of pressing this T, just pressing this T and be forming this 200. So this push put tools with Control has really released is the stress. It has really is the stress. Instead of doing something like this, let me Control copy this. Instead of doing something like this, see, 200. You see, instead of using this thing, see, 200. Instead of using this T, 200. T, 200. So instead of taking our time using, so you see that push put tools with controls has really helped us. Yeah, you see. So let me see your comment. Which one is more faster, more than this one? This the first one I've done, and this one. So that instead of using these tape tools to be measuring it, and using the push put tools with control, which one is more faster? Instead of using this tape tools and push put tools, this one is more fast. You see that this one, so you now start deleting this, all this edge. See that using this method, pressing your push put tools with control is more faster than that one. So once you create one thing, that is offset. Want to offset it like 75 edge. I don't need this, delete it. No, this one I don't need it, delete it. I want to give this size, this space color name. I want to push it P, push it up, press your control. 75. Okay, why is this place not join? Let me join it. Yes, so you see, see the landscape terrain we have formed here using the push put tools. So that is the third practical example of using push put tools. you see that using push-pull shortcuts in this scenario not only speed up modeling process but allow for more precise control over extrusion. So I encourage viewers to follow along this practical using the demonstrated shortcuts in their own SketchUp project. I invite viewers to share their experience or ask questions in the comment section. So share your experience in the comment section below, and just share your experience comment section below. So, and don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to click the like button for more tutorial like this. Okay, hit that like button, subscribe for more SketchUp tutorial, and let's dive into the world that change the way you model. So I do video like this every week. Hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see my next video. So if you have any question or suggestion for future tutorial, leave them in the comment below, and let's embrace the art of efficiency together. Thanks for viewing this video. I've told you earlier that I do video like this every week. I do video like this every week, and don't forget to subscribe. So see you in the next